So welcome back to Coding Dots. So hey everyone. So this is our second part for fetching the data from the Firebase. So if you have not watched our first part of fetching the data, what we have done in first part, we just created this model class, okay, that will help us to fetch the data from Firebase, and one layout. It is just a card layout. So how our data will look into the screen after we will fetch it. So we created one layout. So we are creating fetching the data from here in the users. In the users, you can see there is one email, name and phone. We have created the model class from these only. So uh, so how our data will look like, okay. So we have created a card for that also. So let me show you that. uh, Work fast and do it studio please. And I have to look into this what threads found. Okay. Okay, so here we go. So you can see one user layout we have created and user model dot java, like this class we have created. Okay, so this layout is nothing but we are using one card view, one constraint layout, and there is three text view, you can see. Okay, I have just changed the name of that, like to make it look like in a layout it is. So name layout I have just added. This you will not see in the previous video, that's why I'm telling right now. Okay, so change it accordingly if you want to, else it is totally fine if you don't want to. So this is our card. This is not well decorated, I know, but we are focusing on fetching data only. Okay, so we have one model class. This is exact same as these, and one user layout. Okay, now we are going to create one view holder. Okay, and then recycle view and fetch data. So let's do it. So what we're gonna do, we just need to create one small thing. Okay, so just 1 second, I will back. Okay guys, so we need to create one view holder as we were talking. So just view holder, for that now we don't have to do much thing, we just need to create an simple folder. Okay, so go to package and type here view holder. Okay, this will be our view holder. What it will do, we will talk about it. So I already have one code, so we can just copy paste from there and then I will explain you. So where is my view holder? This is not the one, this is not the one. Okay, so I have already created one application. I'm taking the code from there for both fetching the data and this one, so we can spend more time in explanation better than typing. Okay, and I will provide the code to you as well. So let's go to view holder class, create, click right click on it, and go to java class. Now you can type here user holder. Okay, this name I want to give to it dot. We don't have to add dot because it is already there. Okay, so actually this will extend the recycle view. Let me show you in the code, it is already done. So from where we are taking the code, not from there, we will take it from here. Okay, so okay, so I'm taking it from here and pasting it from here. Okay, so tweet holders will be changed as user holder, right? And recycle view we need to import, so alt enter, import class, nothing much. View also we need to import, alt enter. Text view also we need to import. Image view we don't need it actually, and so I'm removing these two. And not null, alt enter, import class. Okay, removing these for right now, we don't need. Tweet holder need to be replaced by user holder, and we are good to go, I guess. everything is imported instead of R. So please ask. Come on. uh, okay. No. Where is import class? Yeah, this one. Okay, so what we have to do now, see, remember this, we created one user layout. Okay, so we will connect our user layout views with this holder. Okay, this will hold this view. Okay, this is what exactly user holder will do. Okay, so you can see our IDs, we will connect it with IDs. So we have three text view. So we have three text view, right? So let's create three text view. uh, Name, email, and what, password, no, phone is there, right? Okay, so for name, what we will do, we will just connect our name layout. The same ID will be here. Okay, name layout. And for press Ctrl D two times, it will automatically copy itself. And email, and then phone. Okay, connect this also as email and phone, right? Okay, we are done with view holder. This is the only work. We are just extending recycle view. So every item it will take, it will pass to recycle view. Okay, so this is the work of view holder. Now let's focus on our recycle view and our first activity, right? So I'm going to my first activity. Okay everyone, so what we have to do now, just go to our activity first, and you can see it is empty right now. We just give it a blank white background. So what we're gonna do, we just need to add recycle view here. Okay, so just type recycle, it will automatically take the recycle view. Width will be match parent, and height will be wrap content for b. It is constraint layout, so we have to connect it. I'm taking top to top of parent, and left to left of parent. Okay, so the error will go. It is fine for me. So we have recycle view. Okay, we don't have given it an ID, so let's give it an ID. Call it recycle view only. Recycle and view. Okay, I'm copying this recycle view, so we can declare it here also in the first activity Java class. So type recycle view, and the name will be recycle view itself. Okay, now let's connect it to our find view by ID thing. Okay, so you can, I can copying this from here and pasting it here simply. Okay, so nothing, we just need to change this recycle view connected with our recycle view. Or see here, one linear layout manager. Okay, so I'm alt plus enter, so it will automatically take. So and we also need to create this type also. So layout manager we needed. No, not this thing. Layout manager, layout manager. Okay, cool. So recycle view we have already connected now. So this one is our one. So let's copy and paste. Okay, so what this code is doing, uh, it is simply doing not much thing. This is a layout manager that will this is our user layout. Okay, so what it will do, it will automatically linear layout. What do linear layout do first? We need to learn that. So linear layout automatically like to put the things and one after one. Okay, if you will put anything into a linear layout, you don't need to constrain it, you don't need to set a position. It will automatically go below its upper one. Okay, so the data will come, it will go to this linear layout manager, and it will manage it. Okay, accordingly. And we have set the layout manager for this. So this is our linear layout. Okay, so let's continue with our next work. So after this, now what we needed, we need our path. from where we want to fetch the data. Okay, so let's go to data, create one database reference as the database I'm creating only for right now. Okay, so in this database now we have to fetch the data. So database equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference. Okay, what is this? This code is written for fetching this thing. Okay, the root reference. Okay, this one. Now what we need to fetch users. Okay, so just go to child and pass here users. Spelling should be exact same as this one. Okay, so we have the path right now. Okay, so what I will do now, I want to create one new function. Okay, it is not needed, but we just want to use this life cycle. So I'm passing here fetch data function. Okay, that we have not created yet. So what this function will do, it will fetch the data. So I have already written this function as well, so let's copy paste again, and from here I'm copying this and pasting it here. Okay, so some errors will come definitely. So user model is here, why it is not taking user model, the class is not important. Okay, Firebase recycler option, wow, it is coming for me. Could be possible that it is not coming for you. Okay, I will tell you what to do if it is not coming. Okay, and user holder, this class also need to be imported. So user holder IO, I will provide this code to you. Okay, and recycler adapter, it is taking as class school, no null. Okay, alt enter for all the things that is needed. uh, no null. Okay, and what is need to be important, imported view, of course we need layout inflator, of course view group. We will understand this code in a minute. Okay, so every error is gone. Okay guys, so if you are facing an error for this Firebase recycler option, what you have to do, you have to go here build.gradle. Okay, and you have to check what dependencies you have. Okay, if you don't have UI database dependency. Okay, so the here is one dependency I have already written. This you can see, you can try this dependency if some error you are facing there in Firebase recycler options. Okay, so this class have that this dependency have that class, so the error will go. So let's continue, we are not facing error right now, so it is a good symbol. Now you can see our recycle view name is different, right? Okay, so no error, right? Okay, cool. So what this code is doing now, it is simply just taking our model. Okay, this is our user model, and then it is taking our path. This is our query. Okay, like we give query in the other database SQL as well. So what is it is putting the query here. Okay, to getting this data, what it does content, email, name and phone. It is the exact same name as written in the database table of users. Okay, so where we was in the first activity. Okay, so then after the query, it will take the it will build using the recycler adapter. What does adapter do? It will hold the data for you. Okay, it will like adapter will tell the view how to organize the data. And then user holder, you can see there is a holder as well, we have created already. So and then in the last, if you can see here, we have passed our layout as well. Okay, so you can see this is the layout view. It will inflate. What is inflate? Like we are just putting a screen over another screen, right? So this screen will be on this screen. Okay, there is every item here is this layout, right? So what is going to happen, we are putting this layout. Okay, and now you can see here what is this. I'm removing this for right now so we can understand it more. So on bind view holder, okay, it will bind the view with our model. Okay, so what will happen, uh, okay, let's write it better. So holder dot, so what does our holder contain? Okay, we have created one text view as name. Okay, holder dot name. Okay, I'm putting dot set text here. Okay, so it will set the text over there. And what text we want, whatever the data we are getting from our model class. So model dot, what it was name. Okay, so model dot get name. Okay, so it will automatically fetch the data from get name, and it will pass it to our holder, and it will set to our layout. Okay, so now just press Ctrl D 2 times and just change the name to email and phone. Okay, and same for here, get phone, get email and get phone, right? So our work is done for here. I think everything is perfectly done. So let's run our project. So I need to connect my phone, so I'm pausing the video for a second. Okay everyone, so we are ready with our application. So here you can see the email and password option. So one ID I have created already, so I'm going with that one. I don't even remember the password. Let's try. Okay, so we can also convert this password thing into like that one, the hidden one. Okay, we can secure it. I will tell you that way also. So I'm trying logging in. Okay, login is successful, but the layout not coming. Okay, the data not coming. So let's see why it is happening. So I'm going to first activity again and checking all the data we are getting. User holder, everything is perfect here. Perfect here. We have called the fetch data here. Let's try calling fetch data here first. uh, can it make some difference? The code written is actually right. It is not wrong in the on start also. So let's try it one more time. So I think Harshit name is bad luck for me. So login success, it is not working. Great. So let's find the error. Hey everyone, so actually there was no error. I don't know why it was not working before. So actually maybe because of some network problem, I guess. So now I'm logging in and see, it is fetching the data. Okay, so it is taking the email from the database, name from the database and the number from the database. Okay, so you can easily check here also. It is like taking the same data that we have in the database. So this easy it is to fetch the data from the database. So if you have liked this video and understood, please do like this video and subscribe us. So thanks a lot. So we will surely gonna create some more projects also, and there is one thing also needed to be created. This just one second. Okay, so if I will press on back, remember me thing we can create. Okay, and also splash screen we can create. So these little things are left in the project, so we can just complete this project as soon as possible, and then we can start some new things like we have not learned how to fetch images. That also we can learn, and more other things are there. how can we do that, how can we create an attractive UI. In this project we focused on fetching the data and these things, putting the data. And in other projects we can do more different things. Okay, so please be connected. We will learn together, we will uh, create together, we will develop together. So please do subscribe to Coding Dots and be with us for more more videos coming in future. So please be connected. Thanks a lot. Thank you.